So this is solving and graphing an inequality. So I've got my number line down here. Now what we want to do is first we want to solve this inequality down. So I want x by itself. So I'm going to subtract 7 from each side. Now I'm not dividing by a negative number. This is just subtraction, so there is no need to change that sign. So I have 10x is less than 10, and I want the x by itself, so I'm going to divide everything by 10. And same thing, this is a positive number, so no reason to change the sign. So I have x is less than 1. And that is solved. But what we need to do is we need to take this and we need to represent it on this graph somehow. So firstly, I need to decide whether there's an open dot or a closed dot. And since my sign does not have the equal to bar, this is an open dot. So I'm going to put an open dot at 1. And then I need to decide whether I care about the values over this way or whether I care about the values over this way, because I need an arrow. Now, if you want to do it technically, all the numbers less than 1, well, those are going to be the numbers down here. Negative 10 is less than 1, negative 4 is less than 1, negative 1 is less than 1. If you want to do it the slightly cheaty way, then the way you do that is you stick a tiny little arrow in there so that it points a certain direction, and this one is pointing us to the left. Therefore, what we're going to do is we are going to take from our dot, and we are going to point to the left all the way down to the end of the number line.